Right, this is a how-to guide on how to activate and deactivate the child lock on your Beko Excellence range washing machine. This can also be used on other series of Beko washing machines. There's older and newer generations, and there's also different brands this can be used on. So to activate the child lock on this particular machine, you will see under the quicker wash and anti-crease there's a lock button in between under the extra rinse there. If you hold the second and the fourth option buttons together, push and hold together, and then C on will come on. So when C on is on, all the options can't be selected, and every time you press an option, C on will flash up. The only thing you can do is turn the machine off and back on. There we are. C on, off. Right. To turn it off, press and hold the two buttons to turn off. And it'll come up, C off, and then you can adjust your programs, whatever you damn well please. So we'll put this into test, we'll put this onto spin mode, we'll press start. Right, the machine is on, press and hold the child lock. C on comes on, and now you can't pause it or change the spin or whatever. If we turn the child lock off, we demonstrate this. C off, and then we should be able to change options if it let us. Let's pause it. So we can pause it, stop. So that's how to activate and deactivate your child lock. So if you've got the little ones around and they like pushing buttons, you can switch this on. Meanwhile, if you are in child lock mode and you don't know how to get out of it, hopefully this will help you to get back out of it so you can operate your machine again. So thanks for watching.